VBA, or Visual Basics for Application, which is Excel coding. It is a programming language that was developed by Microsoft Corp, and it is integrated into the major Microsoft Office application, such as Word, Excel, and Access. The VBA programming language allows users to access functions beyond what is available in the MS Office applications. Users can also use VBA to customize applications to meet the specific needs of their business, such as creating user-defined functions, automating computer processes, and accessing Windows APIs. So, how is VBA used? VBA is used to perform different functions, and different types of users use the programming language for various functions. The following of the different parties that use VBA are general users, computer professionals, and corporate users. So let me tell you how they use it. So let's start with general users. Most users regularly use MS Office applications such as Excel in their routine. VBA language is used and included in the MS Office package at no cost to the user. VBA is used to automate tasks and perform several other functions beyond creating and organizing spreadsheets. For example, users need to automate some aspects of Excel, such as repetitive tasks, frequent tasks, generating reports, etc. The user can create a VBA program macro within Excel that generates, formats, and prints monthly sales reports with graphical representation such as bar charts. They can execute the program with a click, just a single click, and Excel will automatically generate the reports with ease as per the needs of the company. Now, let's go to computer professionals. Computer professionals can use VBAs to perform more complex tasks that would otherwise take longer time and more resources to complete. For example, they can use VBAs to create custom add-ins for Excel that provide additional functionality to the application by using or introducing new functions that are not available in Excel. VBA also helps computer professionals perform complex functions such as replicating large lines of code, designing languages within MS Office applications, and merging the functions of two or more different programs. Now 3. Corporate users. VBA is not only useful to individuals but also to corporate users. Companies can use the VBA programming language to automate key business procedures and internal processes. Functions such as accounting procedures, tracking minutes, processing of sales, orders in real time, calculating complex data, etc. can be implemented using VBA. VBA can automate the above-mentioned tasks to increase the efficiency of internal business processes. It also allows corporations to consolidate their data in the cloud to make it accessible from any location around the world. Now, let's get on with the basics of VBA. But after all of this, I will tell you also the extra uses of VBA among finance professionals. Some of the points will be analyzing huge amount of data, creating and maintaining complex models, creating investment scenarios. Now let's start off with the basics of VBA.